The winds led her to a hidden cave covered with moss and vines. As she entered, she discovered a collection of ancient scrolls, each filled with the knowledge and wisdom of her ancestors. Zalika felt a profound connection to her roots and was eager to learn from these scrolls. Being a last-born daughter, she should have felt scared, but she did not. Hello, and welcome to another African Tales for Kids. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. It will help us grow the channel to be able to bring you even more African tales. Now, on to today's tale, Zalika and the Whispering Winds, a tale of lasting legacy. In a tranquil East African village, beneath the shade of towering baobab trees, lived a family known for their wisdom and deep connection to their ancestral heritage. The family consisted of 4 daughters, and the youngest was named Zalika, which meant peace in their language. Zalika's story is one that would be passed down through generations, for it was a tale of lasting legacy. From a young age, Zalika was known for her keen curiosity. She would often ask her parents about their ancestors and the stories they had heard beneath the same ancient baobab trees. Her parents, who cherished their heritage, were eager to share these stories, as they knew the power of their ancestors' wisdom. One day, while Zalika was playing near the village's sacred waterfall, she heard a soft whisper in the rustling leaves. She looked around, but saw no one. The whispering grew stronger, and Zalika decided to follow the gentle winds as they guided her deeper into the forest. The winds led her to a hidden cave, covered with moss and vines. As she entered, she discovered a collection of ancient scrolls, each filled with the knowledge and wisdom of her ancestors. Zalika felt a profound connection to her roots and was eager to learn from these scrolls. Over the years, Zalika dedicated herself to studying the scrolls and practicing the teachings they held. She learned about the importance of unity, respect for nature, and the significance of storytelling as a means of passing down wisdom from one generation to the next. Zalika's wisdom and kindness began to shine brightly in the village. She would often gather the children under the baobab tree, just as her parents had done with her, and share the stories and lessons from the scrolls she had discovered. The village children admired her, and their bond grew stronger as they learned the importance of their heritage. As the years passed, Zalika's parents, impressed by their youngest daughter's knowledge and love for their culture, shared with her the secret of the Whispering Winds. They explained that it was the spirits of their ancestors guiding her to the hidden cave, knowing that she was the one destined to carry on their wisdom. The village celebrated Zalika's dedication and the knowledge she had gained. Her story became a cherished legend, emphasizing the importance of listening to the whispers of the past and carrying the wisdom of one's ancestors forward. Zalika's legacy endured for generations to come. She had not only learned from the scrolls but had become a living embodiment of their teachings. Through her, the Whispering Winds had found a voice, and the wisdom of their ancestors continued to guide and inspire the village for centuries. And so, the story of Zalika and the Whispering Winds was told and retold beneath the ancient baobab trees, a timeless reminder of the power of heritage, curiosity, and the enduring legacy of knowledge passed down through the ages.